Hello guys, in this video I'm just gonna show you how to formulate a good setup whereby you can take good trades or higher time frame trades. So we're going to use the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, and the 1 hour will be our executional time frame, and the 30-minute and the 15-minute. So make sure that you watch up until the end, click the like button and subscribe. So as you can see here, this is the weekly time frame. We had a break around this point. This is a nice break on the weekly time frame. Then the market pulled down, which this is our lowest point, as you can see right here. Then now we have to look at the area where the market mitigated. So as you can see here, this is the last candle, or this is the buy to sell candle, of which this shows that this is the area of interest that we're going to use. So just like that, we have formulated a trade idea. So let's say maybe the market was like still around this area here. Just showing you the setups. So as you can see, we had a pull down, then the market started to gravitate towards this area of interest, and then as you can see here, these are relatively equal highs, just like that. This shows that we have liquidity in the markets. So now you just have to wait for the market to tap into this area, then you start to look for selling opportunities. So let's say maybe the market is doing that, then it taps into this area. You move over to the daily time frame, for example. The daily time frame, that is where you refine. And then guys, I'm just gonna get your trading view membership so that we can just backtest all my setups so that you can see them in play. So here, if we refine, we can refine it to this area here. As you can see, there was no mitigation around that point. So on the lowest time frame, of which it's the 1 hour and the 15-minute, that is where we're going to look for a change of character like this. Then after getting that change of character, we look for selling opportunities. And most of you may ask me, why did I look at the weekly time frame? So the weekly time frame shows you like the higher time frame structure, how everything is gonna pan out, just because the idea is for the market to take out this low. Then we know that we had a recent break of structure around here. It's small on the weekly time frame, just because each candle here is weekly, but like if you move over to the 1 hour, the 15-minute, that is where you're going to understand that the market is pushing nicely to the downside. But like you're going to get a break of structure here or a change of character, just because the market is fractal. And the reason why I'm saying that, or the main reason, is that the markets move the same. We get your higher highs and higher lows on the weekly, the daily, the 1 hour. It doesn't change even on the 1 minute. So don't get confused, guys. Né? So if we continue, you can see we had a change of character just around this point. So break of structure around here, another break of structure came up around here. You can just draw them, that is if you want to. Break of structure again, then we have your change of character just around this point here. Then after having that chart, we know that we can expect a sell from where guys. As you can see, this is the buy to sell, which means this is your area of, okay. So we had a fair value gap around this point, and after having that fair value gap, we know that the market has to fill that gap, and after filling that gap, we can mitigate the area that we are looking at, of which it's the supply zone, just like that. So everything is done on the daily, just because on the weekly, just because I don't have like the membership on this one here, but like I'll get a membership today so that we can start with our back testing, guys. Né? And I'm gonna drop videos each and every day. So let's take a shot around here. Like I said, the markets are fractal, so everything that I'm doing on the weekly is the same as doing it on the 1 hour. Né? So 8% right there, and we can just play the price action so that you can see it. So we tap into the trade, then we pull to the downside, just like that. So as you can see, guys, the market is just fractal, and then we had another break around here. Sorry about that. Let me just show you guys. So break of structure again here, of which that break of structure came about, and then we had a fair value gap around here. Sorry about that, guys. So the fair value gap came about around this point here, fair value gap, or IMB, then the area of interest should be this one here, and that is if you want to get into another trade. You can just do that. So let me just push this to the side like this, and then this would be the scale in on the trade. So the stop loss should be the same as the other one. So let's see what happens on this one. But like everything that is done on the weekly, you can just try and refine it on the 1 hour. You can take this entry on the 1 hour, refined and perfectly scaled into your profits nicely, guys. So as you can see here, we're pushing up, push up. Let's see, even if it doesn't work out, it's still the same, just because we have the entry at the top now. So there's no need to get worried. So as you can see, the market is playing around, it's playing around. So let me just do this, just because it seems like it's trying to drop very early. So let me just use like the overall start of the correction, or start of this area here of interest, just like that. And then my stop loss could be just above. So now we are fine. We can continue with our thingy right there. And as you can see, the market is creating relatively equalize. You can see, let me just remove that. So the market is creating relatively equalized around this point, to show that we have liquidity, just like that, of which the market can just try and take it out before pulling to the downside. So let's just wait and see what happens. Okay, it seems like we're not getting tagged in. Okay, we are tagged in. So everything that is done on the weekly, it can be done on the 1 hour, your 5 minute, your 1 minute. So we took 2 entries so far, and then we can have another break of structure, which is this one. So as long as you have like the higher time frame base of your trade idea. So the trade idea came about around here. We have a high, we have a lowest point, break of structure, area of interest, tap into it, change of character, entry, break of structure, pullback, entry, then we break of structure again. Then we'll be looking for another third entry, guys. So imagine if you take all these trades, this would be nice. I won't lie, this would be nice. And already we can check we are running 5.71 on the first trade, and the second trade I think it's the same, 5.71 or 5 point something. Okay, we are running 4.51% on the second trade, which is already around almost 10%. So on the third trade, let's see what happens. Let's see if it's gonna push up. Okay, we're pushing up nicely, so we can place the third entry, of which this would be the last one, just because it's like I'm not doing this, guys. It's like I'm flexing now. So let's see what happens. So we have another tap. Let's see if we can have another tap into that area. Okay, seems like the market is breaking structures. Nothing is going on here, just because if we break this low here, then we can continue pulling down. And the other thing, guys, make sure that you protect your profits. So let's say maybe this trade is like 4 point something%, this one is like 5 point something. Make sure that you take like a bit of profits, make sure that you lock in some profits. But like, let's continue. Let's lock in, let's see. So there's nothing going on. As you can see, the market is trying to break this area. So it got broken, as you can see right there. So we're just waiting to see if we're gonna take out this low here. And let's try and place another. So as you can see, this is where the current market structure is at. Sorry about that. So this is where the current market structure is at the moment. So these are the setups that you can take. Remember, you start from the weekly time frame, and the markets are fractal. The weekly time frame is the same as the 1 hour time frame, but like it's gonna take long for you to enter some trades. As long as you know that the market tapped into an area of interest, you move over to the lower time frame, wait for a change of character confirmation, then that is when you can enter your nice trades. So on this one we took 7%, and then on this one we took around 5.7, so which it's like 13, it's like 13%, almost 13%. So on this third trade, of which we didn't get tagged in, this is a 0 trade percent. And yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how you can do it in the markets, and I'll see you on another video. For those who want to learn how I trade, make sure that you click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and yeah guys, I'll add you in our free group, of which we also have like a free Telegram channel. You can just use the link in the description below. See you on another video. Peace and love.